chimo hụrụ n'anya onye dịka gị. Agụ na-eche ndị hụrụ n'anya onye dịka gị, chimo hụrụ n'anya onye dịka ya. Igwe na-eche ndị hụrụ n'anya onye dịka gị, chichi dị mma hụrụ n'anya onye dịka gị, chihopu hụrụ n'anya onye dịka Chukwu okike abịa ma hụrụ n'anya onye dịka gị, anyanwụ hụrụ n'anya onye dịka gị, nwa onwe m hụrụ n'anya onye dịka ya, chimo hụrụ n'anya onye dịka gị, chimo hụrụ n'anya gị ka m fe, nwa onwe m hụrụ n'anya onye dịka gị, eze hụrụ n'anya gị ka m ga-efe, hụrụ n'anya onye dịka gị, hụrụ n'anya onye dịka gị. Egughị ụzọ egughị ọnụ. Thank you for stopping by. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. It depends on the time zone you are. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chidibe Spiritual Natural Herbal Tips, the founder of Chidibe Spiritual Natural Tips. We give tips about spiritual and herbal. That is me, Chidibe Spiritual Natural Herbal Tips. So you are welcome back again. Our topic today is about shelled butter, of which in Igbo language we call it ori. The work of shelled butter. What and what you can use it for. Shelled butter. What and what can you use it for? Especially on newborn babies. Both baby girl, both baby boy. Shelled butter. I will show you and I will explain to you the work of shelled butter in a baby that you born new. What shelled butter can work for. So let's go there. Let me show you, because many people, they may not know what is shea butter. They may not know it. In Igbo language is ori, 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 ori. Igbo people, they know about ori very well. When we are small, our parents, if they put to bed, they always use it. So now, for those of us that don't know about it, I want to teach about it. Let me show you what is ori. Look at it here. Look at it. This is shelled butter. Shelled butter. Ori is lickable. You can lick it. It's tasteless. We have the original ones. Like this one that I'm having here now is the original one. Because how will you do this? How will you get this? This shelled butter stop dry cough. If you born a baby, if the baby is having cough, if the baby is having nose run, if the baby is having catarrh or cold, shea butter can help you out. Perfectly okay. It's not harmful. So if you are having cough, if you are having dry cough that refuses to go, and the running nose that refuses to go, let's do it with shea butter. I believe it will give you a perfect answer and a perfect result. So how will you prepare this shea butter? It's very simple remedy. Simple remedy I'm giving you now. When you bring the shea butter, you have your spoon. You bring the shea butter. You boil warm water. You bring the shea butter. You will not allow water to enter in your glass. Ordinary water to enter inside that glass. When you bring the shea butter, look at it. Let me be showing you. You bring it. You use your spoon, your teaspoon. You bring it out. You fill it. You put it in a glass or in a clean bottle. If it's a baby, anybody you want to use it for. It stop dry cough, catarrh, and the running nose. Stubborn running nose, you stop it. When you bring the shea butter, you use the tin spoon, you bring it out, you put it in a glass cup. You bring your salt. See salt. You bring your salt. Carry it also, half spoon. of this your tin spoon. You put it here. As you put it there, by then the shea butter is inside. That your warm water, the water that you have boiled, the warm water, you pour it in a rubber or in a white basin. You carry this cup, put it inside there, so that it will melt the shea butter and the salt. Then you now mix it together. Mix it together. It's ready to go. Don't allow ordinary water to enter inside that cup. It's only the shelled butter and the salt that you will mix. That baby that is having cough, dry cough, or anybody that is having dry cough, it will clear it. It will give you a good result. I'm telling you. Then after that, if that baby that is having that catarrh, you can bring this shelled butter, you rub it on the baby's forehead like this, and get to the edge of the nose, the region of the nose. After that, use your towel, soak warm water, you boil water, the warm water, carry it and place on the baby's face. After you have rubbing the shelled butter, leave it. I give you will see a very good result. This is herbal. It's herbal. I tell you that I so much believe in herbal, because if you believe in it, all these things, they work. There is no chemical there. There is nothing like it will harm the baby. No. This ori you see works so many things. Even if those that have stretch mark, if you leave all those chemical that you are using, use ori. That place you see that stretch mark, just place your ori there. Rub it there. I don't have stretch mark. You see my hand? No stretch mark. God bless me a lot. I'm not proud of, but it's just that God bless me. You will see that stretch mark. Use ori. Place there on the mouth. Just place the ori there. Leave it. Be doing it constantly. I tell you, you will see a very good result. But if you have stretch mark, you go and buy cream, chemical again, be rubbing on it. It will not go. Rather, it will be expanding it. But go for this now. Go for it. It will work perfectly. It's not harmful. It's not chemical. It's okay. So thank you for watching. Anyone you don't understand, I'm open in communication. You call on my number. My number is 080-353-720-66. That's my number. You can also WhatsApp me. Okay? So for those of us that have newborn baby, that have baby that is having dry cough, catarrh, please go for ori. Go for shelled butter. Shea butter is the key. Shea butter is the remedy. Shea butter is the tips. Please go for it. It works wonders because it's natural things. This is a seed. This seed come from fruit. So it's natural. There is no chemical there. I tell you, it works a lot. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to share. Because even if you don't have a newborn baby, even if you don't have cough, if you share it, somebody listening to it, they may still go and try it and it will work perfectly okay to that person. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press at the red button. After you subscribe, please press at the red button there, so that whenever I upload, you see my notification. Thanks a lot. Bye for now. I still remain the best spiritual natural herbalist. See you on my next video. Bye.